Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. I want to come on here and give you guys a quick update on what I think is going to happen here with Pepe amidst all this crazy tariff and crazy market crashes that have happened over the past weekend. Guys, I'm going to be honest. I've been saying if Bitcoin, really everyone was saying Bitcoin is decoupling, crypto is decoupling, and I said, guys, you better hope that the S&P 500 and the traditional market catches a bid this week. Otherwise, you're going to see Bitcoin and crypto dump Pompeii style, and unfortunately, that's what we've seen play out. And I want to give you guys my opinion on what I think the next step is here for really the entire market and Pepe. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that bell, hit that like, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, first things first, I do want to say, follow me at 333 Blacksea on crypto Twitter. I say this place is a lot better when everyone is making millions together. Man, that is the truth. It is not it's quite a depressing place on crypto Twitter and really in the investing finance space when the market is nuking. But I do want to be completely honest with you guys. This is creating a massive opportunity. If you can look fear and panic in the face and buy that dip, there is massive opportunity there. The question is that time now, or are we going to have to wait a little bit longer? I'm going to give you guys my opinion here. So, looking at Pepe right now, we have tested the once bullish trend line as resistance, okay? It was once support, it is now resistance, and we're breaking down. And we've tested 5064815. And guys, if you're watching this and you're a member, you're watching this now, that's, I'm going to say tomorrow when the market opens. But if you are watching this as it's going live, today during market open, it is a very important time for crypto and the traditional market, all right? If we get this breakdown here, we can break down below, I would say, back here in March, the March lows at about 5052758. Now, if we break below that, my line in the sand here is really 5044749. If we break below that, guys, that is going to be a recessionary area, if you will, okay? I don't think we break below this price level unless we get into a recessionary type of territory or maybe even like a flash sale, a flash crash. I'll call it a flash sale because, guys, I'm trying to buy this dip when it comes to equities. And really, if Bitcoin continues to see this breakdown, I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about worst case scenario for Bitcoin as well. But if we do break below this yellow line, that will be flash crash territory, recessionary area, and probably we don't break below it unless we get into a recessionary period in the traditional market. So that's kind of my areas of interest here. If you are looking for invalidations, guys, you need to be looking at higher term time frames here. And guys, I'm going to be honest, like we need to be closing above probably, really we need to get back above this yellow line, in all honesty, before I'm going to say, hey, we're looking for a trend reversal. That is not happening just yet, unfortunately, guys. But I really want to keep hitting this home to you that there's going to be massive opportunity when it comes to equities and crypto, including Pepe, if we continue to see this breakdown here, which I do think we're going to continue to see this breakdown. It's just, are we going to see a breakdown now, or are we going to see us do something where maybe we bounce here, test, and really break down below that yellow line, which is really kind of my no man's land, where we could really break down quite significantly. But guys, with that will come great opportunity, and I'll be buying that dip. If we see Pepe dip below 5044, and we start to like really break down and come and like test other levels around like 5017, I'm going to be buying a significant amount of Pepe because I think that's going to be quite a good risk to reward ratio. Guys, if you do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin. Guys, right now, I've been shorting, hedging against my spot positions. It's been playing out well, but I will not be surprised to see some big whipsaw price action coming in hot here. So please be careful if you want to do that. But if you guys do want to short this market, or you want to start catching some knives because you're preparing to get a position to the upside, take advantage of that down below. But guys, looking at Pepe, we're seeing at rank 31. It's been a bloodbath. Like let's be real here. We're down 11% in the past 7 days, 11% in the past 24 hours. Pepe is at a $2.62 billion market cap. All-time high this cycle was at $13 billion. So we've sold off almost $11 billion out of this market cap. Quite significant. And guys, there's been blood in the streets. Look at this. Ethereum being below 1,600. We need Ethereum to perform well if you want to be seeing Pepe make bigger moves to the upside, okay? And right now, I'm not even paying attention to Ethereum because, guys, Bitcoin dominance, 62.37%, continuing to climb. We need to be paying attention to the overarching market here, and that's the S&P 500. That is a traditional market. Guys, we are breaking down. We've broken below my key support level, really an area of interest of 5,000 on the S&P 500. We've wicked down in pre-market. Well, so it's like after hours trading, okay? 4,795. I bought this dip. Can we continue to break down? Yes, we can. But I really don't see us breaking down significantly more and staying down there, okay? And if we do break down below, like if we start to get down in this territory down here where we originally started our breakdown when the Fed started to raise the rates, guys, not financial advice, but you need to buy the dip, okay? You need to buy the dip, okay? Like, buy the dip if that happens. It will be massive opportunity, but it will come with big pain. Big pain on cryptocurrencies, okay? You're going to see big pain if we come down in this territory, especially if we chop around there for 6 months, 18 months, recessionary period. Something that could play out if we see that happen with Bitcoin. I drew a little bit of a forecast on my chart here, all right? We could see a breakdown and a test of $51,000 Bitcoin if we see the S&P 500 close below 5,000 and trade around that territory of like 4,500. We could see Bitcoin come down to 51K, but guys, if we reach 51K, or even if we break like 62,000 in the 60s, I'm buying. And guys, I do want to emphasize, I buy Bitcoin every single day at dollar cost averaging. I've increased my daily buy by double. And I think there is massive opportunity if we break further down here. Guys, I know it's not pretty. I know it's ugly. And I know it's very difficult to stomach these kinds of drawdowns. People are losing their, it's one thing when you're holding crypto and you're like, Bitcoin's down 20%, like, that's okay. But when the traditional market corrects 20, 30%, that's people's livelihoods. Like, that is retirement funds. And it's a big deal. It's a very big deal. And I just want to emphasize that I know it's brutal, but if you can stomach the pain and buy the dip when we see these drawdowns, that's how you get rich. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that bell notification, follow me, 333 Black Sea on Instagram and Twitter, guys. I know it's rough out there, but I'm going to still be making videos. I'm going to be guiding you through these dark valleys, these dark, treacherous valleys, and I'm going to lead you to some tremendous rallies, okay? Not valleys. Through the valleys, into the rallies. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.